So today I'm going to show you how to adjust the locking pin so that it would pop out when the shade is fully extended. As you can tell, this BocaShade is mounted and it is fully extended. But if you take a look on this side, you can see stage 1 locking pin is out in the locking position. This is what you want to see. Now let's take a look on the stage 2. You can see the locking pin is also out in the locking position. This is exactly what you want to see. Alright, so let's take a look on the other side. On this side, the locking pin is not out. Right? You can see it there, but it's not out. Alright, let's take a look at this locking pin. It is halfway out, or it's trying to come out, but it is not out and it's not in the locking position. Okay? So, what we need to do is to loosen the C bracket on the mid-cross tube. Just loosen it. You don't need to remove the whole thing. Okay? Loosen the lower screw on the C bracket of the gearbox. Okay? Just loosen it. Alright? Now, these two brackets would be on your hard top you would normally have. So let's just go ahead and loosen that. This will allow you to have the freedom to rotate, aligning the hole with the locking pin. So let's try that here. Okay, so it looks like I will need to go this way. Oh, there it is. The pin just came out from me rotating it up. Now let's do the same thing on this position. I'm gonna grab the fixed tube and I'm gonna rotate it up. There you go. It popped out. So now both pins are popped out into its locking position. Then just tighten up your bracket. Okay? Over here, do the same thing. Right? Then you tighten up your other two C brackets that would normally be on your hard top. So now that should work. So let's go ahead and take up the slack and then test it. Retract your shade like you would normally do. Extend your shade and test it and check for the pins to all popped out. There should be 4 pins, stage 1, stage 2, and they all should be popped out. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you.